unlike outside, in our college there are like many opportunities for mechanical engineering. मतलब इतना सब कुछ है ना कि like companies are waiting but students are over. So what?
So मेरा कुछ प्रोजेक्ट था नहीं, so my resume was blank. And second year I was like कि अब क्या करें, इंटर्नशिप तो अगले साल से शुरू हो. So
mechanical engineering is not related to only one topic. Like we can be in every field. Like हम हर जगह पे हमारी जरूरत है.
देखो मत तुम, वो दे रहे हो, that is our like उनकी महानता. कुछ नहीं आता हमें अभी तक.
Today, we are joined by Shravani Gogavle, a third-year mechanical engineering student. She is set to intern at Boeing. She has a remarkable 92.8% in her diploma from Government Polytechnic, Pune. She also did a diploma internship at Sandvik Cornell. Additionally, she holds the esteemed position of Vehicle Dynamics Subsystem Head at Team Adira Electric, highlighting her leadership capabilities and involvement in extracurricular engineering activities. Welcome to Intern Tales, Shravani.
So today we have Surbhi Sankar, third year mechanical engineering student at Cummins College of Engineering. She is soon starting an internship at Boeing. Surbhi did exceptionally well in her diploma at Government Polytechnic, Pune, ranking third in mechanical engineering. She also completed an internship at Summit Engineering and Consultants. Additionally, she holds the position of Associate Program Head at ASME Cummins, demonstrating her dedication to engineering and leadership. Welcome to Intern Tales, Surbhi.
Chetrali Kulkarni, a third-year mechanical engineering student. Chetrali has recently completed an internship at Kirloskar and is now an upcoming intern at Garrick Motion. Additionally, she serves as the Associate Secretary at ASME Cummins, showcasing her dedication to both her studies and leadership roles within the engineering community. Welcome to Intern Tales, Chetrali.
Could you discuss the parameters or prospects available for mechanical engineering students right now in our college for interview? Like internship के लिए क्या prospects available?
Like unlike outside, in our college there are like many opportunities for mechanical engineering. मतलब इतना सब कुछ है ना कि like companies are waiting but students are over. So what a student needs to do is they have to be better at their basics. Cover your basics, be confident, and what the company wants is that students who are confident of the knowledge they have. They don't want exact answers. They just want to know कि तुमने जो पढ़ा है, तुम्हें वो आता है, समझ में आया है कि नहीं. That's it. That is the most important, and I would say the only thing they want. First thing.
True. Yeah, we do have it. Yeah. Just they want students to know how to apply the theoretical knowledge into practical life. They don't want it to go, but they want mechanical engineers. So take that thing into your mind that you have to be that much conscious and that much knowledgeable that you can apply these things into a real life.
So I would like to ask you, can you tell us about the projects on your resume that you have listed on your resume, and what strategies do you recommend for your resume to stand out?
Okay. So for me, that I had done my diploma in mechanical engineering and I had done my final year project, which was a drum lifter. So it was actually a very hands-on project where I attempted many manufacturing processes. Then I designed the many components using our basic machine design. So that was my final year project and I had emphasized it in my resume. And panel actually asked me many questions on it, that how did I design it and everything. So that is the one thing about my project. And resume, I would say in resume, try to be precise about what you have done. Like if in my project, I was the team leader of the group of my project. So I had mentioned that and what specific key roles I had done, that I had like the time management or team leadership, or what I had leadership क्या किया था. Like I managed the timeline, सबका meetings arrange करना, then like timeline देना, deadline set हो रहा है कि नहीं ये देखना. So be more specific is what I would suggest. That.
Since I'm also a diploma student, diploma का एक plus point है कि तुम्हारा project हो जाता है. And like she said, that was the first question they asked. Yes. What was your project? My project was basically, you guys must be knowing कि हमारी वो बाहर team है,
Yes.
उनकी जो स्टीयरिंग सिस्टम है, आई हैड डन दैट स्टीयरिंग सिस्टम का प्रोटोटाइप.
Oh.
मतलब आई विल नॉट गो इन डिटेल कि क्या है, मतलब एंटी अकरमन था वगैरह. बट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दे आस्क्ड कि आई हैड मेंशन कि आई हैव यूज्ड कटिया का इंटरफेस बताओ, ऐसे मेरा पहला सवाल था. सो दे डिडंट वांट टू नो कि एग्जैक्ट डिटेल क्या थे. दे जस्ट वांटेड टू क्रॉस चेक कि जो मैंने लिखा है वो कितना सच है. दैट इज एक्चुअली वन मोर थिंग कि डोंट लाई ऑन योर रेज्यूमे. मतलब वो दे ट्रेन लोग होते हैं ना, दे नो एवरीथिंग. द मोमेंट यू एंटर दे एनालाइज यू सच अ वे. एंड देन द अदर थिंग अबाउट प्रोजेक्ट इज दैट व्हेन यू डू अ प्रोजेक्ट इट हैज़ सर्टन स्टेप्स. लाइक आप लिटरेचर रिव्यू करते हो, फिर आप वो रिव्यू जो किया है उसमें से अब आपको क्या चाहिए वो लेते हो. देन यू गो थ्रू मेथडोलॉजीज लाइक प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच, theoretical approach. So that process is what which is more important for your development in that direction. Like especially अगर आप पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन वगैरह करते हो तो वो तो पहले ही आता है. एंड कंपनीज में तो प्रोजेक्ट पे ही काम करना है. सो दैट इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट कि तुमने क्या प्रोजेक्ट किया, आपने स्पेसिफिकली किया.
आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम अ डिप्लोमा बैकग्राउंड, सो मेरा कुछ प्रोजेक्ट था नहीं. सो माय रिज्यूमे वाज ब्लैंक. एंड सेकेंड ईयर आई वाज लाइक कि अब क्या करें, इंटर्नशिप तो अगले साल से शुरू हो. सो आई ट्राइड टू टेक इंटर्नशिप इन किर्लोस्कर कंपनी. सो आई डिड इंटर्नशिप इन सेकेंड ईयर ओनली फॉर 1 month. एंड इट वाज दे डायरेक्टली सेंड मी टू द पंप सेक्शन, जाओ शॉप फ्लोर पे जाके काम करो. एंड आई वाज लाइक मुझे तो कुछ पता भी नहीं है पंप क्या होता है, कुछ भी पता नहीं. आई वाज टोटली ब्लैंक. एंड मेरे साथ वहाँ पे लास्ट ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स थे. एंड आई वाज लाइक कि इनको तो सब कुछ आता है, मैं क्या ही करूँ, क्या कुछ, मतलब पूरा ब्लैंक. एंड व्हेन आई एंटर्ड द शॉप फ्लोर, दैट मैनेजर वाज लाइक कि गो एंड चेक द असेंबली लाइन. फर्स्ट ही सेंड मी टू द असेंबली लाइन. एंड आई वाज लाइक कि मुझे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग पता नहीं है, असेंबली का क्या ही करूँ मैं. मतलब यू नो फर्नेस वगैरह होता है, उस पर कास्टिंग होता है. आई नो द थ्योरी पार्ट, हैवंट सीन इन प्रैक्टिकल. आई वाज लाइक क्या करूँ. So my full 1 month was in how the pump is manufactured and how it's assembled and what's its furnace to the dispatch. I learned the whole assembly line and my interview was on that internship. So I never had any project. So yeah, you can have internship if you are able to, but yeah, projects are good.
I was curious about how you can get internship in second year, like
Okay, so
1 month.
that's a funny part.
Okay.
We had 50 per 2, I guess 1.5 months. And I was getting bored. Basically घर पे बैठे क्योंकि ऑनलाइन तो क्या ही कितने ही कोर्स करोगे आप. तो वैसे ही पहले भी वो ग्रेट लर्निंग एंड ऑल सब करते हैं. सो वी हैव टू स्टैंड आउट फ्रॉम अदर्स.
Yeah.
So Kirloskar company, which is in Kirloskar, which is my
Yeah.
hometown.
Okay.
So they were recruiting people and internship के लिए बाहर से लोग आते हैं वहाँ पे.
Okay.
So घुस गई मैं उनमें कि चलो देखते हैं होता है या नहीं. And I gave my first interview at I was 19 years old I was. And I was like कि चलो देखते हैं, रिजेक्ट हुआ तो हुआ and हो गया luckily. They were curious कि भाई ये तो अभी सेकेंड ईयर में इसको क्या ही आएगा. They were trying to build a pressure on me कि तुझे तो नहीं आता है, you have to learn and all. मैं बोली कि नहीं, मैं तो कमेंट से हूँ भाई, मैं तो करूँगी. And yeah, I got selected and I was in the internship.
That confidence.
मैं तो कमेंट से हूँ भाई.
Actually, this name gives us
Yeah, of course
पहले
comments
बहुत
are
ज़्यादा
bad.
confidence. Comments की लड़की. Yeah.
Comments की mechanical की लड़की.
Yeah.
Comments की
More
mechanical की लड़की.
specifically, yes.
I had basic question for you. Actually अभी आपने बताया कि आपका सेकेंड ईयर का प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ रोड रेसिंग कार के ऊपर था, बट यू गॉट प्लेस्ड इन बोइंग. सो उसमें तो ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क है. So you want to elaborate more on this?
They literally asked me this, that since your interest is aligned with vehicles
Yeah.
which are on board,
Yeah.
how do you plan to do it in Boeing? So what I said was actually दोनों में इंजन भी होते हैं ना.
Yeah.
That's it. मतलब okay हम इंजन को टरबाइन कहते हैं वहाँ पे, but it is that's what they were expecting कि तुम कुछ तो जवाब दो, like don't sit there blindly आप क्या होगा. So and it's not like I mean one of our professors told me I was looking for a project for remaining part of our internship. So he gave me a fluid mechanics project. So I was like, I don't want to do my career in that direction. But he said that it doesn't matter. What you do in your college life, it is not like subject wise वो नहीं याद रखते. The experience you get, the process you go through, that is more important. So going पे interview के वक्त उन्होंने पूछा why Boeing? So and my instant like उन्होंने पूछा और I was like it is Boeing. मतलब I said that. I mean I didn't plan it. I said because it's Boeing. इसलिए that's why I'm applying. But the thing is that the job role aligned with my interests, and that's why Boeing.
So, my next question is what skills and qualities do companies look for when hiring mechanical engineers, and how can students prepare? So, what are the specific skills they look for?
So it depends on the job they're applying. If they are coming for now ANSYS had the job role related to I guess machining, and also you must know how ANSYS.
Yeah.
Like Garrett Motion was there for not the technical, but and there was engineering job, but they never specified what was that. So other was related to supply chain.
Okay.
So you should know other things related to that. So it depends on job role, but again as a basics, अपना curriculum में होता है वैसे. For mechanical, like we have PO, again SolidWorks.
Yeah.
So designing softwares and other things you can do along with our curriculum, like clubs and all. तो उसमें भी बहुत कुछ ऐड हो जाता है.
Clubs में participate करना is important. So
Yeah,
add on है वो resume.
depends
में.
on
Okay, differently, yeah.
And mechanical has so many opportunities, but people are like more focused on design. And the thing is that they think that solid modeling आ गया तो design आ गया, but design is not solid modeling. Not at all solid modeling. You have to know the stress analysis. मतलब this is the example. Design मतलब थोड़ा सा stress analysis होता है, dimensioning होता है. It is solid modeling is the last step. सब होने के बाद you solid model. But people are like, I can do Creo, I can do solid. मैं design में जाऊँगा. And also one more thing कि लोग job role नहीं देखते. You have to look at the job role. It has to align with what you have done. तुम्हारे favorite subject क्या है?
So, again, I would like to ask both of you, what are the benefits of pursuing a diploma?
Oh, so मैं बोलूँगी कि diploma is the best thing. Like those 3 years were my best years, and actually diploma is a very good thing that I had done because अभी जो subjects है उसमें से आधे subjects I have learned already in diploma. And so इधर आके till at least second and third year का at least एक sem I had no tension कि अरे ये तो आता है मुझको. So it was like that, and diploma obviously gives you an extra advantage because you have an extra degree like diploma, because people do get jobs on basis of diploma, and then also you have the but it's like a degree, right? So I had done my virtual internship also in diploma, and I also ये मैंने internship भी की थी and project भी किया था. So I had done as a short degree ही. So yeah, diploma was a good choice for me.
On diploma, I can talk for hours. I'm a like ambassador of diploma.
And one thing, we had done diploma from same college.
Oh, that's great.
I mean, I highlight that I'm a diploma student for many reasons, and one of them is that most of the times what happens, direct second years come like 1 or 1.5 months late. Like 4 months की sem होती है और वो 1.5 months late आती है, और we तो came 3 months late. हमें 1 महीने में सब करना था. So what happens is the student come very confidently और वो एक sem खराब जाती है और their entire motivation goes down. But they have to understand कि एक sem से कुछ नहीं होता. मतलब you can come back, and like she said, half of the syllabus is done in diploma. मतलब the paper I had for second year first sem, my brother who is currently doing diploma, he had the same, or actually he had harder questions than that. So it's like it's not like 11th 12th अच्छी नहीं होती, वो equally better होते हैं. But the thing is that when you know कि तुम्हें engineering ही करनी है, mechanically करना है, then diploma is a better choice.
So my next question to you guys is, what are some technologies and trends that mechanical engineering students should be aware of in the present time, like abhi? इंडस्ट्री के रिलेटेड?
Like the first thing that comes to mind, मतलब mechanical आया ना कि EV. EV is like the burning topic. और बहुत बार ऐसे कहते हैं कि EV के वजह से मैकेनिकल का अब क्या होगा. हाँ, EV के लिए मैकेनिकल ही लगते हैं.
They are
हाँ, and it is not a substitute to IC engines, not at all. You can't take away the IC engines. But the thing is that if mechanical engineers pay attention to electric vehicles, one day in the future we will find a technology which is actually zero polluting. मतलब EV is non-polluting okay on the spot, but जो electricity हम use करते हैं वो to some extent like carbon footprint है, दिखता नहीं but है.
Emissions है car.
And it's like nowadays there is no mechanical, electrical, civil, computer. It's like engineer है. You have to have background knowledge of everything. So EV is one. और
robotics and automation तो है ही है. Like robotics में तो मैकेनिकल वाले भी जा सकते हैं, कॉम भी जा सकता है, ADC भी जा सकता है. So
Even if it is being industry, मतलब instrumentation का subject, we can go into that.
and as she said EV, there are other sustainable topics too. And mechanical engineers can play vital role in that.
And it's like one thing that mechanical engineering is not related to only one topic.
Yeah.
Like we can be in every field. Like हम हर जगह पे हमारी जरूरत है. is what
Actually, yes, but
I'll
mechanical
say.
engineering only turning and facing नहीं होता.
Yeah.
उसके अलावा भी कुछ
वर्कशॉप से बहुत आगे है.
बहुत आगे.
Yeah. So because manufacturing is everywhere, designing is everywhere. You have an imagine like तुम्हारे पास कुछ concept है और you have some product, but in order to design that product, design क्या होता है? You get to know here in mechanical engineering because हाँ तो यही है.
उससे related उसके आगे फिर industrial engineer होता है, project manager होता है. So yeah, there are a lot of opportunities.
जब तुम इंजीनियरिंग करके एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में जाते हो, इट इज़ अ डिफरेंट फुटप्रिंट. मतलब बीटेक के बाद पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन इज नॉट नेसेसरी एमटेक. एमबीए करो, सेट हो जाओगे. मतलब व्हेन यू बिकम एन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर लेवल का पोजीशन एंड यू हैव एन इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड, योर ओपिनियंस हैव डिफरेंट एज. दैट इज वन मोर थिंग.
Okay, so how important is coding for someone who wants to pursue mechanical engineering, and are there any specific softwares to target?
As long as this is not our domain, mainly.
So personally, I'll tell that I hate coding. I do not like it. I tried to learn coding Python 2-3 बार, but it just didn't work out. मुझको नहीं आता इंटरेस्ट. But I would not suggest to you guys. Do it if you like it. मतलब try करो to learn because coding is important. And then about the specific softwares, I would say कि mechanical में भी MATLAB है, Simulink है. These are the softwares where you need to create some logics and apply it. And it is very useful to solve important equations and all. And it really helps. So that's what I feel. And mechanical में I would personally I would say कि अपने basics पे ज़्यादा, concepts पे ज़्यादा force दो. अगर तुमको concept पता है, उसके पीछे का equation and logic पता है, तो coding तो friend को पूछ के भी कर लेंगे हम, right? Have your basics strong.
That's how it works.
Yeah, exactly.
We had Python in our first. I love it. मुझे आता है वो. It's not like I ended up writing only hello. So I know it. And yeah, but it's not necessary that you have to know at least one language and all. लोग बोलते हैं कि you have to know at least Python. That it's easy. So ऐसा भी कुछ नहीं है. It depends on you कि तुम कितनी हद तक जाते हो. And related to mechanical, as she said, there is MATLAB. Even we have Arduino related things. So you have to know basic तो आता ही है. इतना नहीं कि टाइपिंग तो कर ही सकते हैं आप. So yeah.
And like coding is like the next step. You have to think like coding. मतलब coding म्हणजे क्या, मतलब क्या होता है कि you have to put everything in steps. This, then the output of this will be taken as input to this. So it is like a mindset. Coding एक mindset है. And like they both said MATLAB. Why we are focusing on MATLAB? Because MATLAB was made for someone like us, जिन्हें कोडिंग सिर्फ यूज के लिए करना है, वहाँ पे कुछ इनोवेशन नहीं करना है. Like what knowledge you have to convert it into fast method. इसके लिए MATLAB है. And MATLAB is something that it is calculated. Actually, yes.
We have
MATLAB
hundreds of
is-
iterations, and no, we are not that much enthusiastic to write all those things. So yeah, it's good for mechanical engineers to use MATLAB.
And coding करो, but I mean it's fine as long as you succeed in whatever you are doing. But if you choose mechanical engineering or any other branch, सब छोड़ के coding के पीछे मत भागो. It is like
Correct.
Yeah.
it is not. I'm not
Going to
hating it,
underline.
but it is like 15 minutes का fail. Be specific in what you choose.
So I'm from ENTC, and with us, it's the exact opposite. Like coding is like the major part, and then core का तुम्हें basics पता होना चाहिए. So it's different inside.
So guys, what are your expectations from your job role or internship you got?
Like the first thing is that when Boeing actually came, their job role was manufacturing. They took our interview based on manufacturing, our job role. And when we were like, what they do is they select us here and then they ask us to apply on their main website. So as a formality. और वहाँ पे design लिखा था. So first we all were confused कि मतलब what is happening. But now we know that it is design role. So, but actually at this stage, like third year, it doesn't matter what job role it is. सब कुछ तुम्हारे लिए नया होने वाला है. It's the experience that matters. That's why actually my father told me कि look for the job role which is related to your mechanical engineering. मतलब ऐसे भी आता है ना कि management से related थोड़े से. Even supply chain is fine, but if you are looking to do your rest of the career in mechanical design, then look for that. Exactly.
Supply chain.
So that is important. Internship का motive is not stipend. Stipend देखो मत तुम. वो दे रहे हो.
Yeah.
That is a like
Big
उनकी
thing,
महानता.
yeah.
कुछ नहीं आता हमें अभी तक.
Yeah.
So job role देखा करो.
मेरे like I'm just expecting Boeing to learn about aeroplanes. And yeah, it's the same thing which I expect from Adira. I do expect from Boeing that I'll get, but थोड़ा more professional experience. That and technical से ज़्यादा I feel कि इतना ज़्यादा experience आएगा कि how to behave in a big organization and like because college ठीक होता है club होता है but it's actually a big organization. There are exactly. So how to be there and how to manage and basically we are going to Bangalore for 2 months. So we are supposed to live there 2 months on our own. So tech se zyada I feel like I'm gonna learn more
Real life.
experience. हाँ exactly.
Even dealing with boys, being
Actually,
Yeah,
exactly. And
We feel strange now when we talk to boys.
one of my friends said कि लंबे बाल देख के मतलब बोर हो रहा है मुझे. मतलब एटलीस्ट डिप्लोमा के वक्त एग्जैक्ट अपोजिट था. मतलब ऐसे लड़के ऐसे 4-5 दिखती थी. But it is like complete change of culture for us since the first sem. What are you?
Okay. So, Mario is in supply chain. So, I'm MBA. Yeah, I'm in that category. I'm not like, yeah, I love core, but I do the price also. To be very frank. And what I want to learn is how to survive in those people. Like their mentality is different than ours. Here तो सब अपने अपना चलता है. ये भी मेरी है, वो भी मेरी है. वहाँ पे कोई अपना नहीं है. So I want to learn the survival skills. See? I will
I
learn
feel
more
like
than
we are
that.
going on a war.
Yeah.
I was not expecting.
she vanished somehow in the Kirloskar and
Now she has a perspective.
now she's heading to Garrett. So, how to start searching companies for summer internships or off-campus internships?
Actually, we too have been like 2 months की हमारी boarding, so we have been like crazy. Exactly, like मैंने तो schedule करके रखे थे हर alternate दिन एक दिन कॉलेज की ईमेल आईडी से, दूसरे दिन पर्सनल ईमेल आईडी से, एंड आई हैड दिस थिंग कि मुझे मर्सिडीज नहीं चाहिए. आई डोंट नो, मतलब माय बिग ब्रदर इज इन मर्सिडीज एंड आई वांटेड, एंड व्हाट वी डिड विद लिंक्डइन से हमने इतना सब कुछ ढूंढा, ईमेल आईडी ढूंढे. हमारे डिप्लोमा कॉलेज में लाइक वी हैव डैनफोर्स लैब हियर, वी हैड अ मर्सिडीज की मैकेट्रॉनिक्स की लैब. सो वी कॉन्टेक्टेड आवर टीचर्स कि सर कुछ पहचान है क्या आपकी वगैरह. उन्होंने कहा हो सकता है. हमने मेल करने थे, इतने मेल मैंने कभी नहीं किए किसी को, इतने मेल. अगर मुझे इतना कोई मेल करता ना, द थिंग इज दैट कोल्ड मेल्स यू हैव टू कोल्ड ईमेल, कुछ नहीं होता. लाइक व्हाट आई वुड सजेस्ट कि तुम 10 नहीं 100 बार ईमेल करो तो भी चलेगा. वो बहुत बिजी लोग होते हैं, एक ईमेल भी देखना उनके लिए लिटरली पॉसिबल नहीं होता है. सो यू हैव टू इंक्रीज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ दैट. LinkedIn is one. Then second is job you can get through applications and all, but internship mostly everyone says कि थोड़ी सी पहचान होनी चाहिए. And पहचान मतलब क्या? Like पहचान works till getting your resume on the desk. बाकी सब आपकी capability पर. And don't lie on your resume, वो दिख जाता है.
मर्सिडीज की होप है क्योंकि हमारे कॉलेज में एक बार आई थी.
I know.
we know.
मैंने तो सबसे पहले बोइंग का इंटरव्यू दिया और वो हो गया. बट पीपल यूज्ड टू से कि तुम कब तक रुकोगी मर्सिडीज के लिए. आई वाज नॉट वेटिंग फॉर मर्सिडीज
बट यू ट्राई टू गेट.
यस,
यही चाहिए.
What has been your favorite course or subject so far in your entire
Machine
machine
design.
design.
Machine design. Yeah. How much we? Oh my God.
Damn, no, that's the
Leads, it's worse.
no.
What project or assignment have you found the most challenging and how did you overcome?
ये अभी कल की
नहीं
AC
AC
पूरा कैलकुलेशन किया और मैम ने ऐसे कुछ भी लिखा है तो मैं ऐसे करके फिर से कर दिया. So we were like working on it.
So project was heat load calculation for AC बनाना है. AC बनाना है.
तो
That's it.
AC हम लगाते हैं कितना
हाँ.
होना चाहिए कैपेसिटी.
Room का AC.
Okay, so what advice would you give to incoming mechanical engineers based on your experiences?
Be shameless. Finish. बात खत्म.
अच्छा चॉइस है तुम्हारा.
बहुत कम लोग चूज करते हैं.
एंड कीप फेथ इन योरसेल्फ कि तुमने अच्छा चॉइस
अच्छा एक्चुअली. एंड अगर ऊपर से तुम कमेंट्स में हो तो तुम
लाइफ सेट है भाई.
एक्चुअली यार तुमको प्लेसमेंट मिल रही है और क्या. बी फ्रैंक. कुछ भी हो जाए लाइफ में हारना नहीं है.
So what's the most valuable lesson you have learned from your hands-on experiences in the lab?
AC हमेशा ऑन रहना.
yes exactly.
AC के बिना
वर्कशॉप में एक AC लगा दो प्लीज.
हाँ, please.
It will not work but फिर भी. And then hands on like many times it is that on the write up there is procedure करके lab.
Yeah.
मतलब वो हाफ चीजें उसमें लिखी नहीं होती. मतलब लिखा ये करो लिखा होता है और हमें करना कुछ और ही होता है. बट द थिंग इज दैट हैंड्स ऑन करने के बाद यू अंडरस्टैंड कि सब्जेक्ट क्या है.
हाँ. We'll have fun doing CFD.
So, okay. So if you could go back to the beginning of your studies, is there anything you would do differently?
पढ़ाई.
What I would do, I'll give थोड़ा ज़्यादा लक्ष्य in lectures of fluid mechanics and mathematics. Yeah.
No, I am fine. Whatever चल रहा है अच्छा चल रहा है.
नहीं बट पढ़ाई सुधारनी है मुझे.
Yeah.